Let's talk about the difference between a 1099 contractor and a W-2 employee. Let's dive right in. Employers, listen up. If you're hiring workers, whether you run a small, medium, or large business, you need to understand the difference between a 1099 independent contractor and a W-2 employee. Misclassifying employees can lead to serious legal trouble. A 1099 independent contractor sets their own hours. Most of the times they use their own tools and equipment. They usually work on a project basis. They're responsible for their own taxes, and they can determine if they want to bring other employees on their team to help them complete the project. Now let's look at what classifies a W-2 employee as a W-2 employee. They follow company schedules. They use the company's tools and resources. They report to a supervisor or manager, and they have the taxes withheld from their pay. Now I want to share a real case story with you about a business owner. So this business owner only hired independent contractors, but when the company went out of business, so these people were in dire need of their resources, their money, their pay for the services they had rendered. So they went to the unemployment office to see if they can get restitutions for the payment that they did not receive. The state actually determined that they were employees of the employer and not independent contractors. Why? Because they were given work schedules, orders, and directions on what they were supposed to do on a regular basis. They were required to report to work at certain times, and that is not how an independent contractor works. Since the company misclassified them, they were now on the hook for all the unpaid wages, penalties, and potential lawsuits. I say to you, employers, regardless of the size of your company, your organization, this is a warning. Every state has different rules on classifications. If you're not careful, misclassifying workers can cost you thousands in back taxes, penalties, and legal fees. So try to avoid that at all costs. If you need help making sure that your workers are classified correctly, I can help you with that. Just DM me for more information on how I can help your organization, small, medium, or large, stay compliant. Never forget, knowledge is power, and not knowing the law is no excuse for violating it. Share this video with a business owner who needs to hear it. Let's keep our businesses legal and ethical. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye.